wakwaba midi ede adwoa search him mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell on so for more news. Madam Marie amwakwa buadu na okase ose one NPP fo no beka bom na omwe meki eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne life miserable 2024. Marie say one NPP fo be make sure say omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ebe retire every politics me kra politics enye na kono kra na adofomi kasenche no yenti ensema Madam Marie amwakwa buadu ede etu dwa ne sanso embeti reason why tia ode ekasa.
According to information Dr. Dufo they are trying press for it is all over the place that the register is not credible for the internal elections tomorrow, but you are quiet, you are silent. But you watching a radio respectfully. Then you waba bejina press conference. Catch the international community for say womumro na MPP for ne ye corrupt to MPP are buying and that you will not accept the results of a flawed election and you want Kwesi Broni to come. Knowing fully was a Kwesi Broni and what he said a flaws about the register more Kwesi Broni would have put the elections on hold and rectify the register, clean the register up. So you have no moral justification to call anybody. You have no moral justification with the greatest of respect to tell anybody, say on a register and you're credible. You are corrupt. No, John Mahama is corrupt. This is a Fifi Kwete is corrupt. Mr. John Siasie Dunketia is corrupt. They are all corrupt. Hence, we must keep them in opposition. We must keep the NDC in opposition. Oye Ghana ni asemi abe se still will support the NDC. Do you see why Ghana for be NDC and MPP are the same? No, Kevin Taylor, do you see? Wano chabi. Do you see?
Ebusuafo ye ina yate ensema Madam Marie amwakwa buadu ede atudwa. Na ne reason na ene se yebeka ya nano ena Dr. Kwabena Dufo ede NDC amayoko ni na eko court. Na doctor ne reason na ne se eye voters register na omode eba beto aba eye Saturday no na enyema bi wo ma enkoyie oba ne din na obema ne picture ena ehye ho obema ne picture na oba ne din ena ehye ho nti doctor Kwabena Dufo na onsheda enti ne bi asesa anti no ode ensem no eko court na ewosa ensem ni munina no NDC fo na ka esese omotwen na omo kache Ghana say okay say na Dr. Kwabena Dufo e kan de ye betwen na ye make sure say enyema aye clear ansa na ye to aba no but NDC fo se dabi doctor e de asem no kokoto onfa enko kokoto omo de eye Saturday ya etwemi omo to omo aba no still abato no ebekoso ampanso abato no ekoso na no e na Madam Marie amwakwa buadu e kire say NDC fo eye corrupt 100% corrupt because I say me wuchire mu kira bofra kra senya no beka se enka ese NDC fo omo etwen na esan se omo nim ni omo eye na omo epese omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no sanso ebeye flag bearer anti na chinchina omo etwen na omo de omo kasa omo beto aba no na Dr. Kwabena Dufo nso resign nsa aba no nya de obetu bio na no na Madam Marie amwakwa buadu kire se de Dr. Kwabena Dufo eye no ne de yie so o resign na ode ema NDC fo na omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no moto omo aba na no na Madam Marie amwakwa buadu kire se and the pass empo NDC fo de omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama aba na 2024 omo be kire omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama emekopa nya asem keto akra Marie kire se obe make sure say one NPP fo no omo be make omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama John Dramani Mahama ne life miserable because oye corrupt osanso oye enibrefo because yenim de tia osanso epese obedi akondwa na adofo yentie ensema Madam Marie amwakwa buadu ede eto aso.
See, what do you have to say about this? A foot to obey na wo Kevin Taylor wo de ma John Mahama e wa asem we hu America na wote no Republicans any Democrats sa na omo chichire wo mo man a ka wunya eho nipa ni be ware o e be fa wo firi Ghana ho be ware o ka wo kwotena America ho no Koenya ahotoni fa ahodie bi wa America wo saa na omo de fraudulent registers to aba wa America wa anka America be ye America ma ene wote wa woman ni pe nya so. No, do you see how corrupt John Mahama is?
In the register, have they been resolved? I mean, that is the core issue, reason why Dr. Dufour brought the matter to court. I mean, can you tell us whether you've been able to satisfy his needs in terms of that?
Say it again.
In terms of the issues surrounding the voters register, the delegates list, has it been resolved?
And that's a brilliant question. This is how every Ghanaian should be thinking at this point in time. Questions here may be say the same question that Joseph Akable beside. Have the issues been resolved? The issues not Dr. Dufour raising, which are very valid issues because we have all seen the evidence of the fraud in one more register. Have they been resolved? Now, when we say Obisa Amaleba, Amaleba has no response. Do you?
There be some way me okay. Now, my final stuff. More me inbox me a message. I have no problem. Usually, I'm not even the one that checks it. Say me read it the awokano nenyansa wo mu a me reply. Say me read na nyansa ni mu a unya reply bia emfiri me ho. Enti mesremo. Mamon to pressure mamo ho because of me. And then wa no bi akotro say wa bruni be nyawo mo mani be nyame wan ya mo mani be nyame ne e de no di be nyame so wa be da mo NDC fragis ka de akofa ne yere de abakuru mu ano wa be da mo say na de mo mbisa na say watu ni na crazy court da mo mbisa na say sense ya ma blast ya grada anti Felix kasa. And then the Miami Papa Usu Bempa Bonema may cabinet, the American and all of a sudden Felix on Casa, Felix Gini for Felix Abua, Felix Yapasia, Unyamen from Unquasia Bonnie and Chamo. Unyamen and from Unquasia Bonnia, common enemy fight. When Nipa Moon Nimuneda, the Ayame Yan, some of you on social media, Papa no Pomun da. And I Papa Bempa, and a Daddy Bempa, and a Papa Bempa, and a Moody Cooper Pani Ministry. I bay for. Mupesemu do nigga. Kujina baby, and I catch them say, TB Jakes Wawana, Confobi or Te Alabama, say, Sainty, TD Jakes are swab boys, say, young cock on phone if you and coco. Choose your reasoning. It's a test, a temptation, or you nipa into Bronsambe Sonashe. Na say social ne ba ye menu a ye ne yes say ye do Papa Bempa no say ye beko ye koto dwanim utie